Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be doing document processing using Form OCR tool for resumes. So let's get quickly started. So in the previous video, I have already showed you how to create resource and storage account. So here I have already created my resource for resumes, and then I have created my instance, that is resume process, and storage account, that is resume storage account. And then in storage account, I have created a container named as resumes where I have stored all my resumes. I have stored almost around 20 resumes in this. So now if you don't know how to create a resource and storage account, go back to the previous videos and follow the steps and create your resource as well as storage account. So let's move further. Let's go to Form OCR tool and first create a connection. So I'll create a new connection for resumes. I'll take the SAS URI as told priorly. I'll go to my storage account. I'll go to Kosh and allow this first. Save it. Next, I'll go to the access shared access signature and I'll generate my SAS URI. So I'll generate a one day next to it and then I'll click on generate SAS and connection string. So now it is generated. Let's go down and copy our blob service SAS URI. Copy it, go to your Form OCR tool and paste it. Go to storage, container and copy the container name, that is resumes. Paste it over here and click on save connection. Now you have established a connection between our container and Form OCR tool. So next step is to create a new project for this. So go to home and click on new project. Display name. So for the project name, I'll say resume process. Then next one is select the connection that you have created. So again, form recognizes service URI and API. So these details we are going to get back into our Azure portal. That is our instance resume process. Click on it. We have an option called keys and endpoint. Click on it. Copy the key. Go to form. Paste it into API key. Go back to portal. Copy the endpoint. Come to form OCR and paste it. And then click on save project. So now the project is created and as you can see, it has automatically come on the tagging stage. So now we need to add some tags where we want to extract some particular data. So I'll create tags over here first. So I want the candidate name. Click on plus symbol to create a new tag. So next tag I want to create is email ID. Next one I want to create is contact number. And the next tag I want to create a tag, that is I want to add the technical skills. For now I'm going to add only four tags. So let us do the tagging over here. So first one is candidate name. So here is the candidate name, tag it. Next is email ID. Next one is mobile number and then technical skills. So if you zoom this properly and see, we don't have a technical skill on first page, right? So we'll go for the next page and check it. Okay, we have other technical skills on second page. So let us tag this technical skills. So we have done this for first resume. So similarly, we'll do for the second one. All the resumes that I have uploaded in this are of different formats. So we need to, if the documents or the resumes or invoices, whatever you're uploading are of different formats, then make sure that you're uploading more and more documents and training them all so that when you're trying to analyze a new or untrained document, it will extract the data properly. Okay, so on this page, if you see, there is now see technical skills is on this page, on first page itself. So the tagging for the second resume is done. Now this is the third resume. You can add as many tags as you want. So now tagging for the third resume is also completed. Similarly, I'll do for the other resumes. So now I have completed tagging all the resumes over here. So the next step is to train them. So let's go to train and click on train. To get the more accuracy, we need to train more documents of different patterns. Then and then only we'll get the accuracy correctly. So now next is we'll go to analyze. So here I'm going to upload a resume that I have not trained and then check whether it is able to extract the tags correctly or no. So click on browse. I'll choose one resume, run analysis. If you see the name, it is taking correctly. The next one is email ID, it is extracting correctly, as well as the contact number, it is extracting correctly. But when it comes to technical skill, it is extracting wrong. So if you're facing this kind of issue, then simply go back to your storage account. Go back to your storage account in containers, again upload the similar file that you have just click. Go to containers and now upload the file that we had uploaded in the analyze. So now the file is uploaded. Come back, just refresh this form OCR tool, go to tags and train that document or train that resume. Go to tags and train that resume. Now once you have completed this tagging, again you need to go back to train. Click on train. Now you can see the accuracy you are getting is 54.80%. As much as more documents you train, you get the accuracy more. So go back to analyze. Again upload the same document and run the analysis. So now if you see the candidate name, email ID, contact number and technical skills, all the details are getting extracted correctly. So in this video, we have completed the document processing for resume successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video.